Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about digital guard dog. What we're looking at here is a way to make your motorcycle keyless. So if you have a late model bike, this probably isn't going to be for you, but if you have something, let's say pre-20 Harley-Davidson, and not just Harley-Davidsons, they make this for a ton of different models. What this does, it eliminates the need for a key. So when you walk up to your bike, you can just flip on the run stop switch and hit the button, it starts up and takes off. Similar to late model cars, things like that, you have the little fob. As long as you have the fob on you and you're on the bike, it will start the motorcycle. The great thing about this is they have plug and play options, meaning there's no crazy wiring that needs to happen. This plugs right into your specific make, and you don't have to worry about a key anymore. You just have the fob in your pocket, bam, fire your bike up, it's off and running. About $330 for the specific plug and play units. If they don't have a unit for your bike, they also have a universal one that can be wired in, accomplishes the same thing. Also, they have this watch right here for $200, and you don't have to remember to find your fob, because I would 100% lose that fob. All you have to do is wear the watch. As long as you have the watch on, you can get on, start your bike, and ride it down the road. Now, they also have an option for GPS tracker systems as well. So if you're interested in keeping some security on your bike or finding it if it would go missing, they have that option as well, and all of the system works together. So an interesting way to make your early model bike behave more like a late model bike. If you're looking for more information, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. It'll take you to the product detail page. You can read other writers' reviews and read more specs about this product. If you're still looking for more information, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.